another video. I know I just made this video again just this day because I made another video that time. It was today. So tomorrow I'm gonna make another video right in the morning, guys. So get ready for that video. So in that game, I'm gonna be playing Meep City. So hope you be there. Okay, but wait, I gotta go. Use it. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. So tomorrow, tomorrow I'm gonna be playing Meep City. So get ready. But today we're gonna be playing one of our friends' games. That says try Meep City. That one. Area 51. I really like it. It's airplane. Or maybe you survive from an airplane crash. Something like that. Oh, it's an airplane story. That's bad. People are saying bad words. They're like F. Oh, I love this. Look at me, guys. I'm so small. I got in it just in one time. I'm in the plane. It says airplane. I'm in the airplane still. Where's mine? Mine's a bit. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. I bet mine's is somewhere in the D. Okay, here. No. Which one is mine? How are they sitting? Oh, D6. How did I know? Feel free, I don't know. Feel free to explore the air. Yeah, I'm gonna use my credit card. Hello, I need to use the restroom. Guys, it doesn't let me in. What is this place? D4. D4. This is C. What is C4? I gotta use the no, please find your seat as well as the crossing area. Oh shoot! You gotta find your seat. Oh, some people are gonna fall. They're dying. They're dying. Not that much of many of us got in. Thank you for your cooperation. I gotta use the bathroom. Hello. Get ready as our crew prepare a snack for everybody. Come on, I gotta use the restroom. What kind of airplane is this? It's a girl. Where's she? Oh, she's here. This is gonna be inappropriate, guys, but I gotta do something with this girl. Don't go. Sorry, guys, this is inappropriate. Hey, stop. Why you gave me a sandwich? Look at my credit card. I want some hot dogs. Or maybe some burgers. Yeah. I'm not feeling very good. Yeah, I don't care. I'm looking outside. In the windows. Can I look outside? to mayo. Mayo's yummy. Hey, how do you even know if you heard it from a mile away? 60, oh no, or else he's gonna die. What is it? I ate my sandwich. Yummy, yummy. It's already past 5 minutes. How? So I guess this is how we live in our life. That's how I'm gonna put it. Living my life in an airplane. Oh, guys, I'm sleepy. Good night. I bet a monster is gonna be. Passengers, remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. I'm sleepy. Stretch my legs. I knew it. Or it appears that we've lost energy. Hang on, I'm trying to fix it. Guys, look. Where are you, dude? Oh, shoot. Guys, it's a monster. Guys, we gotta go back there. Guys, protect me. I'm going to be right here in the sea. No problem. Oh, never mind. I knew it was gonna be about the snakes, because I saw a movie about these people, and there's this man that was evil, and oh shoot, no. My name is Ronald. Yeah, I don't care. Bye. Sorry. I'm out. Bye. You know, I was once a human too. Yeah, I don't care. That day I died. You were there. Oh snap! No, I wasn't there. I'd on a plane like this one. But how? If you're trying to kill us, that's after a heart attack. No one even tried to save me. Yeah, so you're gonna be my friend or what? Like it was nothing. Everyone moved on like it was nothing. I guess it's fair now. Soul for a soul, dragon to know one. No! This is just the beginning. Mwahahaha. He's not gonna be my friend. The secret ending. Did I just die or what? Oh yeah, I won. I bet he became a friend. And that's how I say victory. Yeah. I don't know what's going on, but I guess I'll have moved a different place. Guys, that was weird. Oh, how are they giants? Oh wait, no, he was just on top. Panda plushie. Players 1. Oh, never mind. There's only 0 players. I'm gonna go on the million players. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! No! Ha! Not this time. People get in. Guys, we're back here. And if I go back here, I'm gonna get another victory because he became my friend. And what if he won't become again? So I'm gonna climb up here, I guess. He had a heart attack. Yeah, I seen a movie about this man killed almost a lot of people in a plane. And there was literally like a baby germ. One of the snakes bit the baby's hand off. Not the hand, just like the baby's pinky off. His baby, just the pinky, nothing else. It was not that bad though. But if I bit it off, I would be crying right now. So I'm trying to get up here. So that dude doesn't give me. Oh, 613. 613 is right here. How'd I found it? Oh wait, no, it's C13. Why am I all the way back here? Please find your seat. Now please you find your seat. You're about to cross an area of high turbulence. 12. This sucks. Where's everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess the other one is somewhere up there. But it was cool, guys. So I have to end the video here. Hope you liked this video. And subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up. Goodbye and see you in the next one, guys. Bye. Hope that monster doesn't come to your house. But seriously, bye.